Okay, gonna install a Westinghouse Cayuga 60-inch oil rub bronze finish. This is a 6-blade reversible plywood blades, applewood or cherry. Has a dimmable T7 LED light kit, frosted glass globe there. So anyway, here's everything that comes in the package. This is the light that you'll add. These are the light bulbs. Let's get 2 of those. Has a remote as well, so that will be good, handy to use. Here's the receiver. Here's the motor itself. Comes with a long cord, which I'm going to be using for a 4-foot down rod. The shroud that goes on the ceiling, Westinghouse. Here is the globe itself. We got the attachments for the blades, and you can go to this color as well. So we're actually probably going to go with the darker color. So that's everything in the box. Let's install it and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so got it installed, and I actually had a light switch and a fan switch, so I'm actually going to leave this on all the time. You can bypass when you wire it, that way you don't just make a dead switch. So anyway, this is the fan. Just going to leave it on because now I have the remote. Okay, we'll flip the switch. Actually, let me show you what it looks like first. That's what it looks like. I have a 48-inch pole because this is a really tall ceiling. Got it on the cherry side. Turn the light on. The light's on. So now low. Start it up on low. And you can see it spin. That's what it looks like in here. Probably bad lighting for this video. Okay, and we'll go to high. Hit the high button. Wait a second, see how fast it gets. But yeah, with the 6 blades, it really moves air. That's for sure. You probably can hear it now. But anyway, we'll just hit the off button. Or you could probably hit the power button, or the switch on the side of the wall. But anyway, that is the Westinghouse Cayuga 60-inch 6-blade fan. Seems like it's really working. Go a little bit closer on it. And then also one more thing is there is a switch on the motor itself to reverse the direction. So that's a good thing as well if you want to send air up in different parts of the year. But anyway, highly recommend. It's worked out really good as of now installing it, and it comes with that extra wire for a 48-inch rod, down rod. So anyway, highly recommend. Definitely check it out.